Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at the word order of English sentences. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. As you know, the typical English word order in a sentence is verb plus object. For example, I like my job. I like the verb, my job, the object. I like my job. I like my job very much. In English, that's the typical word order. We don't say, I like very much my job. It's verb, object, and then the extra information. I like my job very much. We also like to put in place and time. Also important. And usually it's in that order. For example, we took the verb, we took the children, the object, where? To the zoo. When? On Monday. We took the children to the zoo on Monday. Some languages, the word order is changed around. We took the children on Monday to the zoo. In English, we took the children to the zoo on Monday. Did you invite the verb? A lot of people. Did you invite a lot of people, the object, to the party? Did you invite a lot of people to the party? The place. So it's verb, object, and then place and or time. Last one. Do you drink tea every day, Uncle Geoff? Do you drink tea every day? Do you drink tea every day? Verb, object, and a time. Verb, object, place and or time. Typical word order in British English. Do you drink tea every day, Uncle Geoff? Yes, I do. English grammar, word order, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now. Back to the tea.